Your life.
Yeah, so we are live now. You guys can ask your queries. So whatever the queries that you guys are having, and we are currently celebrating the festival of fusion on PrepFusion. So all the course prices are very low. You can apply the code DIYA and you will get the courses of PrepFusion at the lowest price ever. So courses are starting from 199 rupees to 739 rupees. So that much of low prices are there. So you can apply the code DIYA and you will get the courses at the minimum price ever. Now you guys are having, if you guys are having any query regarding your preparation, you guys can write it down. We will quickly try to answer it and be more specific. Don't ask what is the preparation strategy, that preparation strategy. Just be more specific about yourself. If there is a general query, so for that particular query, the video would have been already made, and you guys can share the session and ask your queries.
Varun, I think you should prepare for GATE along. You should prepare for GATE.
Yeah, stick to the placement. Go for the get into the company and then prepare for GATE along with. Okay, because 6.5 LPA is not something that you would want to settle down with. So if you are aiming for big, then prepare for GATE examination, but don't drop the placement.
Yeah, don't drop it.
So you guys can join in and ask your queries.
Test series. That will happen with time. So right now you don't think about the time. Like although you attempt the test series now, okay, slowly your anxiety and those tension will go away with practice. Okay, you try to give 3 minutes to each question. Okay, slowly. You can give more than 3 minutes for difficult questions. You will understand once you attempt the test questions. You will understand which questions needs more time, which question needs less time. Okay, so still we are in October, so don't worry about timing and all those things. We will worry about timings about on December. Okay, start attempting the subject wide test series. You can you don't need to attempt the mock test right now. You can start with the subject wide test series, topic wise basically.
Can you tell best preparation strategy completed network signals and control? So just revise those subjects which you have already completed, and next you can get started with the analog electronics if you are someone preparing for GATE EC. If you are preparing for electrical, then you can get started with power electronics, right? Anish, power electronics or electrical machines, whatever you suggest.
Machines. You can start with
Machines.
machines. Also, like
Yeah.
you can start with the topic wise test series. Whatever you have completed, you can start with the topic wise test series.
Revise the notes and write down the topic wise test series of the completed subject, because if you feel like you are forgetting something, then that is something that is very concerning. Okay, you should not be forgetting as of now. Whatever that I have studied, I have full control over whatever the subject that I have done. This should be the target for now. Okay, so if you feel like you are forgetting something, then you need to revise it. No other way is there. So quickly you guys can write down your queries and we will take up the query one by one. And you guys can like the session as well. You guys can put the like.
So if you guys have any other queries, you can ask in the like chat below. Get in the Telegram group.
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में अपन ने शेयर कर दिया।
हाँ कर दिया हाँ कर दिया।
Guys, you guys can let us know like is it lagging or not?
नहीं लैग तो नहीं हो रहा, मैंने देखा अभी लैग नहीं हो रहा, स्मूथ है पूरा।
Dhara study, sir, whatever you completed in communication, how many marks can come from this? On YouTube you are asking, or on paid platform you are asking? On paid platform completely will be covered. On YouTube, I guess I would cover for 7 to 8 marks on YouTube. Completed mathematics, aptitude, and digital circuit control system half. I have completed signals and system and network theory 50%. But I'm not able to score more. You will not be able to score in this manner, Siddharth. Never ever you will be able to score in this. This subject I have done half. This I have completed 50%. This I have completed 10%. Doesn't go like that. This I am saying from March onwards. Preparation doesn't go like that. You try writing down concept text that we have already taken. In that manner, you will not be able to proceed. So forget about the new subjects. Now your target would be, you will pick one subject. Let's just say you will pick mathematics and aptitude. You will complete it 100%. Sir, I'm completely comfortable. Then you will pick digital circuit. You will do it 100%, and then you will say, sir, I'm completely comfortable. You will pick control system. You will do it completely, and then you will say, sir, I am 100% confident. So pick mathematics, aptitude, digital circuit, control system, signal system, and network theory, and just be confident with those subjects. Then only you can think of new subjects. So 50%, 20%, 10%, half, whatever that you have done, just do it completely. Okay. Can you make a video covering only important topics? Which video to watch for communication system, which is very big? That would be coming on in December. Okay. As of now, whatever that I have covered on YouTube, that part you should be covering. I'm covering random variable.
नहीं नवंबर में कर देंगे वो important topic, नवंबर में वो सब वीडियो करेंगे।
November or December, yeah. November or December, the important topic video would come. Like there is nothing important. The topics which are lesser important, they become very important actually. In GATE examination, the topic which are lesser important, they become very important. Now I would say STA is very less important. Resonance in network theory is very less important. In analog electronics, BJT is very less important. In digital circuit, ST, FSM are very less important. In signal system, DFT is very less important. So I will mark all these less important topics, and a lot of questions will be framed from these less important topics, because even the professor of IITs knows, no, they also know that you are considering them less important topic. That's why they would ask more questions from that. So this is a side effect of a GATE examination. So I was thinking that I would make a video talking about less important topics, so they would become more important for you. Although regarding the important topic as well, we will bring the video, but yeah, it is what it is. So in the GATE examination, you can actually never ever comment that which topic is less important and which topic is more important. OPAM on YouTube, no chance. No chance. Sorry. OPAM on YouTube, no chance.
Dhara, I think is talking about YouTube videos only. Your YouTube videos.
Yeah. So on YouTube videos, I will be covering 7 to 8 marks of communication system. And some in November. So should I start doing analog digital electronics? And also I completed signal system because they took exam for it. Should I start with the network analysis? First, you should start with network analysis. Then only you can think of analog. So do the network analysis, and in parallel, if you want to take, you can take digital as well. Okay, digital as well.
Deep Shahu, it's like more than enough. More than enough. Okay.
And if I have made a course, then why would you even think is it comprehensive or not? If I have made a course, I am saying that it is enough for GATE examination. That means it is. Okay. Forget about the GATE examination. When you get into masters, it would be enough. There also you would say that, sir, till the mid-semester examination, we did not learn anything new. We have already studied whatever that they are teaching. Okay.
Ignotus, it's difficult in off-campus. You have to unfortunately prepare for GATE. If companies are not visiting your campus, you have to prepare for GATE and then do your masters from IITs or like tier 1 colleges. Then you will get the opportunity. Off-campus digital, there are few opportunities. You can search on LinkedIn, but it's like very less amount of opportunities.
Yeah, and that's a very sad fact, but it is what it is. Okay, a very sad fact, but it is what it is.
It's been a while. Moscap से EDC पे नहीं आएगा क्वेश्चन?
हाँ, बहुत टाइम से नहीं आ रहा यार, आएगा मतलब आने वाला है।
वो बहुत सही टॉपिक है ना, वो तो बहुत सही टॉपिक है मतलब।
बट न्यूमेरिकल ओरिएंटेड उसमें ज्यादा कुछ पूछ नहीं सकते हैं, जो जितना पूछ सकते हैं वो पूछ लिया है ऑलरेडी, इसलिए मेरे ख्याल से रीजन हो सकता है कि उसके सवाल
उसी को घुमा फिरा के थोड़ा सा इधर उधर डेटा चेंज करके
वही सोचेंगे वो लोग। मोस्ट कैप पे ज्यादा सवाल मेरे को लग रहे हैं, मोस्ट फेट पे तो चलो पूछते ही हैं, कैप पे ज्यादा आने का चांसेस है इस बार। Free
So
resources from PrepFusion for gate POV, sir. Like this, I tell mostly in all the videos which subjects are completely
it's
available for
already
free, which are not available. So you can simply go to our channel and go to the playlist section. In the first video of all the playlist, you would get to know which all things are available for free and which all are not available for free. Okay, Vijay Kumar, don't repeat the same query. Which IIT is best for VLSI? Once you get the score, I will myself will get in touch with you and I will tell you which IIT is best for VLSI. But as of now, you are not having the gate score, so I don't think I should be answering this particular query. Okay.
how to get prepared. Look, we are not from mechanical engineering, so sorry, Brooke, we will not be able to guide you for mechanical.
Yeah. So Brook, like we don't have any idea of mechanical engineering here, so you can ask the same query on LinkedIn to someone. Is it okay to leave EDC, EMFT, and communication and still score 600 or 60 plus marks? Look, 60 plus marks doesn't mean 600. 60 plus marks means 800 plus 800 score. Okay, not 600 score. And is it okay to leave EDC communication? Yeah, EDC, EMFT plus communication would be coming for 25 plus marks for sure. On worst day, it would be coming for 25 plus marks. Now it depends on you. How do you perform in the 75 marks?
नहीं 30 मार्क्स का
In
भी आ
those
सकता है ना,
75,
क्योंकि
हाँ
तीनों कोर
हाँ,
सब्जेक्ट है,
मतलब वर्स्ट
तीनों।
केस बोला ना मैंने, वर्स्ट केस बोला ना, 25 मार्क्स का तो आएगा ही आएगा,
हाँ,
25
बेस्ट केस
मार्क्स का
बोल
तो
रहा है
आएगा
तो
ही।
उसके हिसाब से बेस्ट केस बोल रहा है कि 25 मार्क्स का है, मतलब इससे
नहीं,
ज्यादा तो आएगा ही, 30 मार्क्स का,
हाँ
30
हाँ
मार्क्स का तो आएगा,
हाँ,
बेस्ट केस
मतलब
बोल रहा
ऐसे कह रहा हूँ कि 25 मार्क्स का तो आएगा ही आएगा, 30 मार्क्स का भी आ सकता है, ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ। While writing test, I am only remembering formula, forgetting the concept, what to do after some days. I am forgetting. What can I do, sir? Refer a good resource. Sorry to say, but if you are just remembering the formula and you are solving the problems, that means you have studied in a manner that you are only studying the formula, not the concept. Hardly there are 20 formula in electronics. I'm not sure about electrical, but in
इलेक्ट्रिकल में है
electronics,
यार,
hardly there are 20
इलेक्ट्रिकल
formula.
में है।
More than 20 formula are not there. More than 20 formula. Only 20 formulas are there. People will say, I am not able to remember the formula of analog electronics. Not a single formula is there. Not a
एनालॉग
single
में एक भी
formula is there.
फॉर्मूला नहीं है, एनालॉग इज जस्ट द
Not a
करंट
single
इक्वेशन ऑफ
formula is there in
मॉसफेट
electrical
एंड
theory.
दैट्स इट, एंड द करंट इक्वेशन ऑफ डायोड, दैट्स इट। नेटवर्क डज नॉट
Yeah.
हैव एनी फॉर्मूला। इलेक्ट्रिकल कोर हैज सम
No,
फॉर्मूला, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में कुछ-कुछ है फॉर्मूलेस, इन्वर्टर में है।
even in EMFT, people think that it is formula based. EDC, people think that formula based. You once study basic semiconductor physics. I have reduced down the formula to only two formula. Do you think that you need to remember formula of Fermi levels? Absolutely not. So once you study the basic semiconductor physics, you would realize that there are no formula, nothing. Formula came later on, concept came first, right? So by doing signal system from PrepFusion cover all the topic of signal. नहीं 130 घंटे मैंने टाइम पास किया है, पूरा सब्जेक्ट कवर करवाया ही नहीं है। 130 hours was just a time pass in signal system, so I don't think you would be able to cover the whole syllabus if you study signal system from PrepFusion. So you can study from some other resource. You are the same guy, I guess, who asked about analog electronics as well, right? As far as I can see here.
लिख देते हैं। नो उसका कुछ और था। हाँ, उसको नहीं, ये उसका सिलेबस हाफ कंप्लीट था, कोई और था वो।
जो भी हो यार, कोई क्वेरी होती है कि पूरा है कि नहीं है।
क्या वन
भाई
शॉट
जितना
क्या पूछ
आपको
रहे हो? वन शॉट।
जितना आपने सोचा नहीं होगा ना, उससे दुगना मिलेगा आपको वहाँ पे।
स्मिथ, प्लीज
What are
डोंट
the
रिपीट योर क्वेरी। राहुल, प्लीज। What are the important topics to get? You can prepare like maths, aptitude, control, network, common subjects. At least you can prepare, right? The beginning subjects. Interview. Enough time, more than Python, more than enough time for 2027. You have more than enough time. Rahul, we have a video. Just search analog VLSI roadmap, either my channel or Himanshu's channel or at PrepFusion. You will get a video. You can watch that video, Rahul.
Yeah, Avinash, thank you for that. Happy Diwali to you too. And
Raju, then you
I am,
have to study the like network from us. Unfortunately, you have to cover the network from us if you are not able to solve networks.
but yeah, I guess you should be able to solve the problems. If you are not able to solve,
Because
then you can study from the same resource, but study it again. But you should be studying it again. If you are
because
not able to
network is
solve,
a like easy subject. It's not a difficult subject. How to draw graphs by seeing. Uh, Look, in my company, Lakshma, in my comprehensive course, I have covered that, how to do the curve tracing. But basic things you should know, like what is the graph of x square, what is the graph of x, y equals to x, y equal to x square. Then more weighted subject. Learning aspirant will bring this like weightage or important topics of subjects towards the near of the gate exam around November end.
In my college curriculum, I have network theory, digital electronics, and electronic circuit in third SAM. Should I complete all these by this SAM, or should the approach be something else? In this semester, your target should be completing network theory, digital electronics. Yeah, these two subjects you should be covering. Phoenix. Phoenix, you should be covering two subjects: network theory and digital electronics. Yeah, this happens, Jack. This happens sometimes. Cannot do anything. This sometimes happen.
No, it is like because like they know their people are cheating, so they don't select the higher marks. So it has happened in our college as well. Few companies have done it.
What are TI is coming? Yeah, देखो, you are preparing for it, then you would know everything about it. Rahul, if you are saying that
बता
you
दिया
are preparing
already.
for till this
बता दिया
point,
ना वीडियो
if
है.
they are coming, yeah, till this point, if they are coming, you would have already prepared. What is the tips now? Tips is that whatever that you have studied, just do that in a good manner. That's it. And your major target would be somehow to qualify the written test. Interview would be on you. Interview would be happening between you and the interviewer. But in the online test, you guys also know that a lot of things happen. So you just need to qualify the written test. That's it. No other special tips are there. Okay.
Yeah, guys, please don't repeat your queries. Like so many queries are repeated. ये धारा का एक query है, ये clear कर दे.
Sir, I have completed. But now I watch. Good approach. Also, sir, can you say it again? Yeah. So Dara study as of now, free trial is running. No, for signal system, free trial is running. So you can simply cover from that free trial. Like a lot of things you have already studied. Whatever the new things that you are learning, that would be better for you. Okay. Right.
So
So
hell,
from the free
what
trial,
is
you
the
can learn.
what is the
Hmm.
difference? So you can watch. It's just search Gate 2026 orientation batch PrepFusion. There we have completely mentioned what is the difference between Pathfinders and Titans. Also in the course description, if you go into the website, in the course description also it is clearly mentioned what are the features of Titans batch, what are the features of Pathfinders. So both ways you can search and understand what is the difference between Titans and Pathfinders batch.
Yeah, Rahul Kumar Sinha, that is good. You are doing good. If you are doing that much, you are doing good. You can write down the test series as well. Like you can write down our test series as well, but that is paid. If you want to go for free resources, then this is something that you are doing. That is good. No doubt about it. Okay, it is good.
Yeah, Rahul, like there are few marathons on my channel for transient. You can watch that for intuition. So till now I have done network theory, control. Which subject next? Uh,
Network signal digital control.
if you are from
अपनी
EC,
branch.
you can do analog. If you're from EC,
Yeah.
then you can start with analog. Okay. If you're from double E,
And
then you can start with machines, electrical machines. Does it help? Yeah, gate previous year question are very important. It will help. Gate previous year question are very important.
Deep Shahu, once you clear the gate, after that this query should come. No, that what will be the interview preparation for master's interview. So interview preparation things will come once you clear the gate examination. So once you have cleared the gate examination, then this query will be answered. As of now, your target should be to clearing the gate examination. Suhail, that is for 500 students. So it would last for 3 to 4 days. Okay, it would last for 3 to 4 days. That is for 500 students. No, so surely it would go for 3 to 4 days. It can go for longer time as well.
Sir, industries signals. It will come near November and it will come November end.
Consistent preparation of GATE 2026 in these 4 months with digital analog network aptitude. you cannot say it is enough, but you will be able to give a good fair attempt. If you do this much of subjects which you have mentioned, Vijay Kumar, then you would be able to give a fair attempt. Now, whether it would be enough or not, that would depend on your question paper and how do you perform in that particular examination. It would depend on that. But for a fair attempt, these much subjects, if you are able to do, then it would be very good. Currently in VLSI physical design coaching, can you please give some tips to get internship on product-based companies? Like those who are teaching you, they have taken like roughly around 1 lakh of fees, right? So they should be giving you placement opportunities. Like they should be at least they should be responsible for giving you placement opportunities. And you can try applying on LinkedIn. You can just say that you have done this much training and your basics are clear, and you can try applying for the internships on LinkedIn. But in the organization that you are working in, in the organization that you are taking coaching in, they should be responsible for your placements.
Yeah.
Right.
Vicky, you have a query. So ideally, like it is nothing like set. So few subjects will take less time. Okay. Let's say like network theory. Network theory might not take you more time to revise because you don't have any formulas and stuff, right? But maybe few other subjects may be more time consuming. Maybe signals, because the subject is very vast, very lengthy. Okay. So there is no fixed time. Just give as much time as you possible. So best way to revise is through questions. You can attempt the test series. Okay. Also, we can go through your notes. So these are the two ways to revise.
Small information about your GATE and MTech journey. We never did masters. Okay, we have just done the bachelors. We wrote down GATE examination. We got the rank, but we did not do the masters. What was the journey of GATE preparation? Journey was that we were studying. That's it. No other thing were there. We were studying. We went for the examination. We got the rank. This was the journey. मतलब सबकी जर्नी यही होती है, बस उसको मैं कैसे बताऊंगा उस पर डिपेंड करता है. बट जर्नी यही थी. गेट की एग्जाम की जर्नी. लॉकडाउन था, घर पे बैठे थे, पढ़ाई करते थे, एग्जाम दिया, रैंक आ गया, बात खत्म.
नहीं, जर्नी देखनी है तो
इतनी
मेरी वीडियो देख सकते हो. गेट स्टोरी सर्च मारो, अनीश मिल जाएगा तुमको.
गेट. Like that is from class 11 12th. That is called journey. So from there you can.
How many times? देखो धारा, ideally you should solve only once. Okay, but few questions are very good, which you will star mark or which you will mark, right? Those you can solve twice, once now and another time, like another in 2-3 months. Okay, ideally only once. Series. Pavan, if you are getting time, then you can also try to solve the examples. Okay, so if you have time, you cover the RPOQ series completely, then you also solve the example problems in the full course. Okay, if you are getting less time, then you don't need to solve. You can directly move on to the gate POQs. Pavan. Sir, please. Look, PSA 3, the protection part is on our paid course. Like I have provided PSA 2 completely, the fault analysis, the most important part, right? PSA 1 also I have provided the performance of transmission line. Okay, so almost like I have provided 40% of stuff on YouTube. So you cannot expect me to provide everything on YouTube, right? 50 marks. Thira, still we have time. Slowly it will improve. Just see what subjects are you scoring less marks. Okay, in which subjects are you scoring less marks? So revise those subjects again.
And 50 marks are good. I would say
good.
It is good.
50 marks are good. 50 marks are good.
These marks are good. Deep Shah, once you complete it, you will not ask this query. Okay. First you complete the assignment problem, then you complete the PSQs, and then you complete the test series. After that, this query will not even come because the time will be completed. Like gate examination would
come. You will not get the time. Yeah, you will not get the time basically. 15 September. Yeah.
So I just answered your query in one of the comment as well, Deepak. Like we might have missed you, so you can message us on 90791 08591. 90791 You might have been missed, so you message us and give us, and you send us your invoice as well. Okay? Invoice. You send the invoice, we will add you.
And you tell your registered phone number. Should not be missed, but for some reason maybe.
Yeah, we might have missed you, but you should have been added. No problem. You can simply message us. We will add. going to do internship in IITR, currently in 4th year. How to manage? राहुल, ये वाला क्वेरी का आंसर किया था ना यार, कमेंट सेक्शन में ही किया था शायद, या नहीं किया था? ठीक है, वापस कर देता हूँ. Doing internship IIT Roorkee 4th year, trying to manage a gate plus internship plus placements. Sir, also thank you, because of you I got internship in telecommunication domain. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, finally some people are realizing that we can get you internship in other domains as well. Like, people always would be thinking that we are only for analog, digital. Other domains are also there. For the other domain as well, you will come to the same platform. Okay. Yeah. So Rahul, देखो यार, प्लेसमेंट तो अभी तक होनी थी तो हो गई होगी ना, मतलब कैंपस के थ्रू तो हो गई होगी. अब ऑफ कैंपस अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो वो तो आपको अप्लाई करते रहना है और पढ़ते रहना है. अब IIT रुड़की में इंटर्न कर रहे हो तो टाइम कम मिलेगा. ठीक है, टाइम तो कम ही मिलेगा. तो अब गेट 2026 का अटेम्प्ट देना है तो उस हिसाब से अपना सिलेबस देख लो कि कितना सिलेबस कवर हुआ है और कितना परसेंट कर पाओगे. तो उस हिसाब से एक फेयर अटेम्प्ट दो कि मतलब 600 प्लस स्कोर का टारगेट रखो. आपने जैसे बताया कि MFT कर रखा है, रैंडम वेरिएबल रैंडम प्रोसेस कर रखा है, इसका मतलब नेटवर्क भी कर रखा होगा. नेटवर्क का DC पार्ट आपने लिखा है वो कर रखा होगा. हो सकता है आपने एनालॉग भी कहीं हद तक कर लिया होगा क्योंकि आप इंटर्नशिप प्लेसमेंट की भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो. तो काफी कुछ पोर्शन कवर्ड है, जो बाकी है उसको कवर करने का ट्राई करो जितना कर सको. फिर जनवरी वगैरह में आप अपनी टेस्ट सीरीज लिखना, फुल लर्न टेस्ट लिखना और फैब में एग्जाम देके आना. जितना टाइम मिले उतना टाइम मैनेज करने का ट्राई करो. ठीक है. और इंटर्नशिप में कितना एफर्ट डालना है वो डिपेंड करेगा स्टाइपेंड पे. जितना स्टाइपेंड मिल रहा है उसके प्रोपोर्शनल ही एफर्ट डालना. ठीक है. लर्निंग के चक्कर में नीडलेसली ज्यादा एफर्ट मत डालना. वो लर्निंग नहीं होगी, आप किसी का काम कर रहे होगे वहां पे. और इसके बारे में मैं ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकता क्योंकि ये ऑनलाइन है. ठीक है. तो यूट्यूब पे जा रहा है सब कुछ, तो देख लेना जितना इंटर्नशिप का स्टाइपेंड मिलता है उस हिसाब से अपना एफर्ट डालना.
Company. I have this. Look, Sai, if the if you like the job, then it's fine. Okay, you continue with job. But if you feel like I don't want this job, I want to do masters, I want to learn something new, then you can give less time to your job and more time to your gate preparation. You have to manage.
रविकांत, अभी आपके 3 सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो गए हैं तो 600 प्लस स्कोर का टारगेट आराम से रख सकते हो. ठीक है. 3 सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हुए हैं, 4 और करो बढ़िया से, 4 या 5 और बढ़िया से करो, एक बढ़िया फेयर अटेम्प्ट दो और 600 प्लस स्कोर का टारगेट आराम से रख सकते हो. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है.
क्वेरी रिपीट मत करो यार रविकांत, क्वेरी रिपीट मत करो.
Sir, after 20 December, what is the plan you made for balance for subject and when to do that? So after 20 December, that plan would come, no? Why it would come as of now? So 4 subjects, how to get best possible out of those 4 subjects, that I will tell you. Don't worry about that. That leave up to me. But till 20th December, what all things I told you to cover that particular thing. Now after 20th December, you are saying that, sir, I am not done with signal system, then I cannot do anything. After 20th December, you tell me that, sir, I am not done with network analysis, I cannot do anything. Right? You have to do network analysis, you have to do signal system, you have to do digital electronics, mathematics, aptitude. All these things should be done. After that, you are saying that, sir, 4 subjects are left. Now let me know out of these 4 subjects what best I can get. So that I will tell you. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Vamshi, if you are studying from YouTube, right? If you're talking about distractions on YouTube, then you can make a separate study account in which you only watch the lectures, study videos. So only in the home page, everywhere else, your lectures or educational videos will come. Okay. Otherwise, how can you keep out from the distraction? You just turn off your internet, right? Turn off your mobile data, everything.
और वैसे जो YouTube के ऐड है वो अपनी सर्च एल्गो पे ही आते हैं. ठीक है. तो
नहीं, सर्च एल्गो पे आता है. सर्च फिर तू जो वीडियो देख रहा है उसी पे आता है. जो वीडियो देख रहा है करेंटली, जो वीडियो देख रहा है उसके रिलेटेड आता है.
So ideally, how many test series should be given for under 50 rank? There is nothing like that, but as many tests as you can write. As many tests as you can write. Okay.
This PIQs.
Yeah. Others, like, once you study, then you will realize it. Okay. Others, once you study signal system, you will realize that every single thing is related to each other. Like, if a particular question you are solving with respect to basics of signals, then that particular question could be solved with respect to Fourier series as well. It could be solved with respect to Fourier transform as well, and it would be solved with respect to Laplace transform as well. Then you would realize that what is the best possible way of solving that particular problem. Okay. So when I was teaching Laplace transform in Laplace transform basics of signal, Fourier series, Fourier transform, everything was coming into action. So that's the beauty of signal system, that every single thing is interrelated to each other. That's why we should solve the problems once we are done with the whole subject.
रविकांत फ्रॉम नाउ, अब से टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट कर दो रविकांत. थर्ड ईयर.
Good, Sampath. It is good.
K7,
Sampath,
yeah, you can qualify. You can start your preparation now. You can qualify for it, definitely.
Finally, someone is making use of this test series tracker. So how many of you guys are making use of test series tracker? Like Sampath is saying 66% score is there in digital control and 50% in analog. And he has written the test from PrepFusion, and he's like, no need to worry, you are doing very good. No need to worry. Okay, very, very good you are doing. Just keep on preparing in the same manner. 3 subjects are done. Do more subjects and you would do well. Anish sir completed BTech from Jadavpur University. Currently pursuing third year. If I start my preparation now, can I qualify? You can qualify for GATE. Qualify means getting 25 plus marks. That is easy.
हो गया बोल दिया. ये सब हो गया.
टेस्ट सीरीज कब
रविकांत
से
का
स्टार्ट
भी
करें?
हो
अब से. रविकांत अब से स्टार्ट करो.
गया.
Sir, can you please tell about analog design in a role? How can I get better? Rajesh, like for that particular company, I will not take the name of the company, Rajesh, but they are having the bond of 4 years, right? And they are not paying you very handsome package. Like 6 to 7 lakhs they are paying, and bond of 4 years. And that is something that is something disappointing. But that company is good. A lot of people go there. The learning progress is very good there. So about the company, what is the work culture? I don't know. I'm not sure about that. You can ask some employees.
Okay. You can ask. Yeah, you can ask people on LinkedIn. You can ask people on LinkedIn. Sir, when AC part? No, AC part is already there on YouTube. AC part of network is already there. It is completely covered in the playlist. Also, we have launched like a revision video. So in 10 hours, complete AC part has been covered in the RPOQ series. So both comprehensive course and the revision video, both are there in YouTube free. Scoring average 8 marks.
Yeah, Pawan, don't worry about those marks. Okay, those tests are really very tough. So don't worry about the marks. Just try learning whatever that you can learn from it. Okay, just try learning from the text. Average marks 8 is it is low, but don't worry much.
Average, your average is 50% in every test series. Pawan, it's good. It's not bad actually. It's good. 50% marks in every test series of PrepFusion. That is good. That is not a bad number. Okay. K7, you start with network theory. K7.
हाँ वीरेंद्र, ठीक है यार, ये कर लो. एडीसी कर लिया, नेटवर्क एनालॉग डायोड तक पहुंच गए हो, आप डिजिटल करोगे यार. मतलब सिग्नल्स और कंट्रोल मत छोड़ो ना. मतलब देखो, डिजिटल को प्रायोरिटी दो, ठीक है. आपने एडीसी ऑलरेडी कर लिया, नेटवर्क कर लिया, अब एनालॉग भी कर रहे हो, तो उसके बाद तो यही सब्जेक्ट बचते हैं कि हाँ, प्रायोरिटी डिजिटल को दो, एप्टीट्यूड को दो और इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स करो. बट मतलब मेरे ख्याल से आप
कंट्रोल कर लो यार. कंट्रोल और सिग्नल्स भी इंपॉर्टेंट है.
हाँ, मतलब एनालॉग की जगह कंट्रोल सिग्नल कर सकते थे, लेकिन अब आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया तो कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, अभी स्टार्ट कर दिया तो कोई बात नहीं यार, अब तो करो. ये
एनालॉग भी सही है, एनालॉग भी कोई प्रॉब्लम इसी का है तो एनालॉग.
बस थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ना, बस वही उस हिसाब से बता रहा था.
हाँ, वो टाइम लगेगा. Sir, until now I have only. What should I do next? But first of all, you complete signals, you complete the PYQs, or you start off with network theory. Dupa, you start off with network theory. Okay. Can you? 15 LP देता है वो, बोल रहे हैं.
एट द एंड ऑफ 4 ईयर लिखा ना, तो ठीक है. मतलब यार 2 साल बाद अपने राजेश से ही बात करेंगे, ये एक्सपीरियंस पूछेंगे कैसा है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग मेरे को इस सेम कंपनी के बारे में पूछते हैं. लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क मी अबाउट द सेम कंपनी. सो you would be a good guy to let us know about the experience after 2 years maybe. So we will talk to you again after 2 years and you will let us know what is the experience in that particular company. Based on that we can guide. But as of now you can ask the seniors on LinkedIn. Okay, that what is the work environment there. So I will be completing only 8 subjects for GATE 116. Is it enough to get? यार देखो, 10 सब्जेक्ट कर लो या पूरे सब्जेक्ट कर लियो, अब आपको हम ये कैसे बता सकते हैं कि ये इनफ है अंडर 500 रैंक के लिए? वो तो आप पे डिपेंड करेगा ना.
It depends on how well you have covered those 8 subjects. Okay, like many people cover all the syllabus but still they are not able to qualify. So it depends how well you have covered the 8 subjects. What 8 subjects have you covered? So we have to know that. What is the most difficult subject in EC?
Subject in EC for you, sir? मेरे टाइम मेरे को सबसे डिफिकल्ट लगता था डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, क्योंकि डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में अगर किसी ने कुछ भी फ्रेम किया, मतलब मैं डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में पेन दे सकता हूँ, दर्द दे सकता हूँ सबको, कि मतलब मैं कुछ ऐसा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोच दूं और उसी लॉजिक पे मैंने सवाल फ्रेम कर दिया, तो शायद वो सवाल मैं ही सोल्व कर पाऊंगा। तो डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में कोई 100% कॉन्फिडेंट होकर ये नहीं कह सकता कि मैं सारे सवाल कराऊंगा एग्जाम में, नहीं कह सकता कोई भी, क्योंकि किसी ने लॉजिक लगा के अच्छा कुछ सोचा, तो वो लॉजिक अगर आप क्रैक नहीं कर पाए तो वो सवाल सोल्व नहीं होगा। बाकी सब्जेक्ट में आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकते हो, बट डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो कि बहुत ईजी कंसिडर किया जाता है, बट उसमें 100% कॉन्फिडेंट कोई हो ही नहीं सकता, कोई भी नहीं हो सकता, चाहे कोई टीचर हो, चाहे वो 20 साल से पढ़ा रहा हो, 25 साल से पढ़ा रहा हो, कोई भी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो सकता। एक बच्चा भी डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में अच्छा सवाल फ्रेम करके उस टीचर को परेशान कर सकता है। तो ये वाली चीज है, ठीक है, इसलिए मेरे को डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हमेशा से ऐसा लगता था कि इसमें कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है। ये
Sahana,
क्यों
if you
ट्रैक
are a
करना।
beginner, you should not ask this, like what are the important topics. You should study everything if you're a beginner. कंप्यूटर अब बीटेक में सब दोस्त सीएसआईटी, नहीं नहीं वेल, बोथ आर ग्रेट, डोंट वरी गेट नहीं हुआ तो, मतलब देखो गेट गेट नहीं हुआ, देखो गेट में अगर 1000 भी रैंक आई, 1500 भी रैंक आई, उसमें भी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे आफ्टर द गेट एग्जाम। तो डोंट वरी, जस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर द गेट एग्जाम एंड परफॉर्म गुड इन द एग्जाम, दैट्स इट।
Yeah, Mohammad Saad, if you are covering 8 subjects thoroughly and writing down PYQs and test series, then it is possible to get under 500.
हाँ राहुल, ऑलरेडी वो दैट राहुल दो दैट वीडियो इज ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड ऑन यूट्यूब, that crash course of network theory EC part already has been uploaded. Just go into the playlist, there will be a playlist RPYQ revision series crash course rank improvement batch. In that the third video would be the network theory EC part. Okay, you can cover from there. Jyoti, you can again write on gate exam, you can write on gate exam.
Or basically you try to get placed into some VLSI company. After that, already you
नहीं
would
वो
switch the
मुश्किल है,
domain.
एमटेक पावर
हाँ?
सिस्टम में VLSI में कैसे करेगा वो?
तो बैठ नहीं देते क्या कैंपस प्लेसमेंट?
पावर सिस्टम में कैसे देगा? पावर सिस्टम है ना एकदम, तो वो तो डबल
तो
कोर का हो
बैठ
गया
नहीं
ना,
देंगे
इलेक्ट्रिकल।
कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में, बैठ
पावर
नहीं देते होंगे
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का
यार।
पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का होगा तो फिर भी देते। पावर सिस्टम का मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब पता नहीं है, मोस्ट
इनका
प्रॉब्लम
पावर
मुझे नहीं।
सिस्टम ही था यार, वो मेरे जो थे ना सीनियर
अच्छा।
अपनी प्रीवियस कंपनी में, तो
हाँ।
उनका आईआईटी कानपुर में पावर सिस्टम ही था। कौन से सीनियर, जो 2 साल सीनियर थे, बढ़िया डिजाइनर थे, उनका आईआईटी
अच्छा
कानपुर
अच्छा,
में
हाँ
पावर
हाँ
पावर
हाँ
सिस्टम था।
हाँ, समझ।
नाम नहीं
अच्छा
लेते
अच्छा
हैं लेकिन मैं बता रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
इनका आईआईटी कानपुर पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से था 2.5 साल, 2.5 years,
नहीं,
विंटर
पावर
वाला वो
सिस्टम
भी।
था, पावर सिस्टम था बोल
हाँ,
रहा मैं।
वो विंटर में होता ना वो, जिसमें वो अभी जो होगा, तो उनका था
हाँ
2.5 years का। बैठ नहीं दिया था, नौकरी
ज्योति,
भी लग गई।
ज्योति, you see like if your placement coordinators are allowing you to sit, then you can prepare for those VLSI roles, like you can study here from here and you can sit on those placements. JFET, JFET is not in the syllabus, right, for EC gate?
Yeah, not in the syllabus. I'm going to join offline in December. Till then it is offline. Till then it is online. He wanted to say till that it is online. And company just अभी आई है, no VLSI company, only PLC. यार इनका सबका तो आइडिया हम दोनों को ही नहीं है। PLC, SCADA, एम्बेडेड इन, ये सब क्या पूछते हैं, कोई आइडिया नहीं है यार। तो हम दोनों क्या ही बताएंगे प्लेसमेंट का, ठीक है। तो इसका प्लेसमेंट का आइडिया तो यार हम दोनों को है ही नहीं।
Focus.
Others
Keshavan,
signals is already running. Signals free trial is already running on our platform. Okay, you can study from there. It is already running.
Keshavan, if you can't focus, just stop this video right now. Stop this video right now and start studying. Okay. Stop this video right now and start studying. That's it.
And you have to build your focus. There is no shortcut. If you can't sit, you have to sit. If you can't study, you have to study. If you say something I cannot do, then you have to do that. That's it. Okay. There is no strategy that would help you here. Sir, I am EC student. As you mentioned in the previous video, you should mainly concentrate only on the first 3 chapters in networks, and I completed signal system. Yeah, Deepak. Yeah, what is the query? You are doing good. You have completed signal system. First 3 chapters of network you can do now. Okay. सर
आपकी
गेट
मैथ स्टूडेंट
टेस्ट में सिग्नल सीडीसी वगैरह कब तक टेस्ट होंगे यार? नवंबर तक मैं डालने का ट्राई करूंगा, नवंबर एंड तक डाल दूंगा, ठीक है।
Shohel, if you are not getting enough time, then you can uh, like you don't watch both, right? Either you watch the RPYQ or the comprehensive course. If you're from Pathfinder's batch, you watch one of them. Now see how much time you're able to devote. If you have to finish other subjects as well, then you can cover the maths in a quicker manner in RPYQ. If you're already comfortable in mathematics, if you are good in JE during your class 11, 12 days, you are good in mathematics, then you can cover it from RPYQ.
Harish, I could not understand your query. Harish, I could not understand the query. What you wanted to ask?
Krishna, there is already a video. Search GATE 2027 roadmap, PrepFusion. You will get a video. So GATE test series में
ये बता दिया
नवंबर
ना,
एंड
गेट टेस्ट नवंबर एंड तक डालने का ट्राई करूंगा।
हाँ
Yeah,
इफ
course is
कंपनी ज्योति
sufficient,
इफ
but
कम
no one can
हाँ
guarantee you.
हाँ
Yeah,
no
Anish,
no
you were
don't go for GATE
answering.
again, don't go for GATE again, don't go if your college is like if the companies are allowing, then don't go for GATE again.
J by omega, what is J by omega? I'm not sure if this question would be. I just want to know what J by omega would mean. J by omega means
कहाँ
J
पे
by omega doesn't make any sense.
किसका डाउट है? अच्छा हाँ सर
What is the meaning of J by omega?
J
Like
by
in
omega मेरे
what
को लगता है
sense?
क्या बोल रहे हैं
In
I
what
just want
sense?
J is a complex number J okay and omega is
Omega is
omega
frequency.
frequency
Omega
that's
is.
it.
Sir, 592 gate score EC in third year with college academics knowledge. Should I focus fully on gate? I think I can get under 500 if I give my full effort, or should I go for tech placements? Obito companies अगर आ रही है, if companies are visiting your campus, then you can go for the placements. Otherwise, focus on gate. Like you are thinking that sir, I will apply off campus, will get the placement opportunities. Very difficult. But if companies are coming to your
नहीं
campus, they are taking the interviews, then you can focus on that.
like are you
Hmm.
talking about like CS IT placement? Uh, like maybe वो भी हो
Oh
सकता
yeah,
है कि
yeah. Tech placement means he is talking about IT placement. But you have a score of 592 in gate third year. Under 500 rank, you can surely get. I think you are made for VLSI. So don't settle yourself for a placement of 6 to 7 lakh
like what
in
you can
IT.
do is you can sit in the placements, you can sit in tech placements, but don't need to prepare like anything extra. Just sit in that and see whether you're getting the opportunity or not.
IIT Guwahati already organized in 20. Can it be expected the level of examination somewhat? Like the level of examination would be surely better than 2010. Surely it would be better than 2010, and from 2018, like you cannot comment actually what would be the level of question paper.
You cannot
But I can
comment.
surely say it will not be easy. Like they will never frame easy question paper for easy. You will never see that, sir, rank one is getting 95, rank two is getting 93, rank three is getting 92, and sir, at 70 marks we are getting rank of 500. It will never happen. Okay, 70 marks under 100 any day. This kind of question paper they will surely set. Okay, so 70 marks at 70 marks we are getting 500 rank. This will never happen. You can see the previous year trends of easy question paper. So easy question paper they never set. Either it would be moderate or it would be difficult.
Mostly it will be
Last year,
moderate. Moderate.
yeah, in
Moderate.
2025 it was moderate only. It was not difficult. Still, like people, like 50 marks was safe. Still 50 marks was safe. It was moderate. It was at the moderate level only. It was not difficult at all. Still 50 marks were enough to get a seat in IITs. So nothing can be expected, but comments could be made that it will not be easy. That I can say. Like easy question they will not ask. Like what is the time constant of a series RC circuit? That is equals to RC. These kind of questions will not come. But these kind of questions used to come in 2010. So that will not come. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Previous year,
Yeah.
what will be the gate score for? अरे यार MS MTech के लिए कितना गेट स्कोर चाहिए? वो 600 चाहिए, 600. But for MS, like even 3 and 350 score can work for MS.
400
MS
400
would
also.
depend on your interview. It would depend on your interview. For MTech, for a good MTech, you need 600 plus score. 600 plus score. Okay. Network you should start with. Beginner, which subject I should start in EC electrical? You should start with network. Okay.
Sir, I'm facing, sir, for maths, what should be preferred? Look, all the linear algebra, calculus are the most important. Then probability is also important. Okay, linear algebra, calculus, probability. These three like subject, chapters are important. After that, vector calculus, complex variables.
Yeah, done, sir. You can actually ask this query on our Telegram group. Okay, you can simply message me on Telegram with this particular query. Here it is not understandable. So you write down this query on paper and then you can ask me on Telegram. I will answer it. Okay. Dancer. I'm talking to Dancer. DANCER.
आई थिंक वो क्या होगा ना, वो नॉन क्रो वाला, वो उसका व्हाट्सएप नहीं नहीं होगा शायद वो उस नंबर पे, इसलिए शायद मिस हो गया, क्योंकि
इसलिए
मैं
नहीं ऐड
मेल
हो
नहीं।
पाएंगे. ठीक है. हाँ,
हाँ,
होता है. तो ठीक है. Guys, whenever you purchase the course, always purchase it with the number that is available on WhatsApp, because we will manually add you on the WhatsApp. Okay, our team would manually add you. So always purchase with the number that is already available on WhatsApp. Otherwise, we will not be able to add you.
Satrajit Datta, if you are facing difficulties in power system, you can like at least cover the fault analysis part from my playlist. Go on to YouTube, power system PrepFusion, cover the fault analysis. Then you will not face issues, at least in the PSA 2 power system fault and stability. Okay. Which subjects to prepare? If you are talking about VLSI placements, then it is analog electronics, digital control. These are important. Signal दोनों.
ये अथर
देखो
का
ये
करते ना,
डिफिकल्टी
पावर
है
सिस्टम और सिग्नल में क्या प्रेफर करना चाहिए?
यार, बीच में हो तुम तो बताना मुश्किल है। दोनों ही करने चाहिए। अब देखो, सिग्नल कर दो कवर कंप्लीट। पीएसए व्हाट यू कैन डू पावर सिस्टम में, अब पीएसए 2 कवर कर लो, ठीक है, फॉल्ट वाला पार्ट, या एक एक पोर्शन पीएसए 2 पीएसए 1 एक वाला पोर्शन कवर कर दो। उसके बाद सिग्नल पूरा खत्म करो, क्योंकि सिग्नल बीच में आप वो करोगे तो बहुत फिर बाद में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। पीएसए का एक पार्ट खत्म खत्म करो, फिर सिग्नल का पूरा कर दो खत्म।
अब देखो हिरेंद्र, देखो अब डिजिटल का क्रैश कोर्स इनफ है कि नहीं है, ये मैं नहीं बता सकता, ये क्वेश्चन पेपर पे डिपेंड करेगा। अब मैं देखो आपको अभी कह दूंगी कि क्रैश कोर्स इनफ नहीं है, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव करो, और हो सकता है एग्जाम में सवाल इजी आ जाए, तो जो बंदा क्रैश करके गया था उसके भी सवाल बन जाएंगे, और जो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव किया है उसके तो बनने ही है। तो रिकमेंडेड तो हमेशा ये होता है कि 5 सब्जेक्ट तो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बढ़िया से करके जाओ, कि अगर वो टफ भी आ जाए तो भी काम बन जाए। ठीक है। क्रैश कोर्स का मतलब ये है कि अगर एग्जाम में इस सब्जेक्ट के इजी सवाल आते हैं तो आप कर पाओगे, कुछ बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्चुअल सवाल आया तो वो नहीं होगा। तो अब वो डिपेंड करता है ना कि आपने क्रैश कर लिया डिजिटल का, बट एग्जाम में सवाल टफ आ गया, डिजिटल के सारे सवाल ही टफ आ गए, तो फिर क्या करोगे? तो वो नहीं बनेंगे, तो फिर आपको लगेगा कि क्रैश कोर्स अच्छा नहीं था। लेकिन मान लो क्रैश कोर्स किया आपने और सवाल इजी आ गए, तो आपको लगेगा कि क्रैश कोर्स बहुत अच्छा था। तो यही चीज है, समझ रहे हो?
सर, मैथ्स कंट्रोल फ्रॉम क्रैश कोर्स, शुड आई डू इट?
हाँ यार आदर्श, मतलब 30 के हिट होगा तो पता नहीं मैं क्या क्या कर दूंगा, लेकिन 30 के हिट ही नहीं होगा ना। ठीक है। और चिंता मत करो, मैं सिग्नल सिस्टम का, मेरे को पता है 30 के तो नहीं होगा, 29 के ही नहीं होगा, 28 के हो जाए वही ठीक है, लोग शेयर करते ही नहीं है। लेकिन ठीक है आदर्श, मैं सिग्नल सिस्टम का फिर भी एक्सटेंड कर दूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मेरे को। ठीक है। सिग्नल सिस्टम का फिर भी एक्सटेंशन कर दूंगा, बट आप लोग, मतलब आप लोग तो नहीं, मैं सबके लिए कह रहा हूँ कि मेरे को कहते हैं कि आप कम्युनिकेशन भी ले आओ, ये भी ले आओ, मैं सब कुछ कर दूँ यूट्यूब पे। ठीक है। उसके बाद रीच उन्हीं को मिलनी है कि हम ये हैं, हम ऐसा पढ़ा देते हैं, हम वैसा पढ़ा देते हैं, हम ये कर देते हैं, वो कर देते हैं, आग लगा देते हैं, वो लगा देते हैं। 2 सवाल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन दे दो उनसे, वो नहीं होते सोल्व, फिर कहते हैं हम 15 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं पता नहीं। ठीक है। तो मतलब ठीक है,
नहीं
जैसा
नहीं,
है ठीक है, जो भी है ठीक है,
हिंदी
बट
नहीं समझता, हिंदी नहीं
फिर
समझता।
से कोई बात नहीं यार आदर्श, अब मैंने बोल दिया, अब मैं इंग्लिश में रिपीट नहीं करूंगा। ठीक है। तो बस इतना है कि जैसा है ठीक है, but signal system I will be extending, don't worry, free trial would be there for signal system. As of now the course prices are also pretty low, so people
Yeah, you
can
can buy, like
purchase
it's
them.
how much, like 500, right? 500 is nothing, like
And don't worry about signal system, it will be extended,
हाँ।
but
देखो
other
पीएसए
subjects
फॉल्ट
will not.
पूरी सीरीज तक हो गया है। देखो एक काम करो, फॉल्ट स्टेबिलिटी हो गया, राइट? तो अभी पॉज रख दो, पीएसए को पॉज रख दो, सिग्नल खत्म करो, फिर पीएसए में वापस आ जाना पीएसए 1 के लिए, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद मैथ भी खत्म कर देना उसके बाद। अभी तो टाइम नहीं है, तुमको लगता है आरपीओ को सीरीज से ही करना पड़ेगा। कंफर्म मी।
दीप शाहू भाई, आप मतलब पेड कोर्स के स्टूडेंट हो तो आप मेरे को मैसेज करो। ठीक है। आप मैसेज करो मेरे को, आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में एडेड होगे अगर आपने कोर्स ले रखा है तो आप वहां मेरे को मैसेज कर दो, मैं आपको रिप्लाई कर दूंगा। ठीक है। ठीक है ना? Deep Shao, you can message me on our WhatsApp number. If you are added there, if you have purchased the paid course, then I would tell you whether analog and communication is enough or not. Okay? मजे ले रहे
हाँ
हो यार,
सही
और
हुआ।
कुछ नहीं। आप केवल मजे ही ले रहे हो मेरे, और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो। ठीक है कि एनालॉग में इनफ है कि नहीं है, कम्युनिकेशन में जो सवाल 2030 में पूछा जाएगा ना, वो मैंने करवाया है, और मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ कि वो सवाल 2030 में आएगा। लिखा है मैंने वहां पे, 2030 लिखा है, 2027 में नहीं आएगा, 2026 में नहीं आएगा, वो 2030 में आएगा वो सवाल, वो लिखा हुआ है वहां पे, और वो आएगा। तो आप ये सफिशिएंट वाली बात तो छोड़ दो, ठीक है ना? कम्युनिकेशन को एकदम अलग वे में पढ़ाया गया है। डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन को जैसे पढ़ाया जाता है, एकदम ही उससे हट के पढ़ाया गया है। तो यार आप क्या बात कर रहे हो यार?
आदर्श, आई थिंक इट इज कवर्ड इन डिजिटल, राइट? थोड़ा सा पीएल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ये सब डिजिटल, आई थिंक वी हैव कवर्ड इन द सरफेस लेवल। आदर्श,
हाँ, ये कर दिया ना मैंने कवर। या आदर्श, वी हैव कवर्ड इट, लाइक implementation I did not cover, like how PLA was introduced in programmable logical, इनकी फुल फॉर्म और भूल गया मैं। हाँ, प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिकल
अरे
लॉजिक
लॉजिक,
एरे।
अरे
सो
लॉजिक,
PLA
हाँ।
ये सब मैंने कर दिया है, लाइक ऑल दिस हैव बीन डिस्कस्ड, ओके, on whatever the level that is required, that I have already discussed. Yeah, so you, Anish, you can
सेकंड
pin this
ड्राइव में,
dancer's message,
हाँ
whatever he
रुको,
has
हाँ।
written. Yeah, he might have covered EMFT, right? Or other subject also you can cover, so you can see his review. EMFT is not formula based so chapter, okay. RST नहीं आएगा यार, EDC चैप्टर 2 नहीं आएगा, ठीक है। EDC का कोर्स प्राइस अभी 500 रुपए है। अगर आप उतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते तो मेरे ख्याल से अभी आपका जो इंटरनेट गया ना इस सेशन में, वो भी शायद 25 रुपए का जा चुका है। तो मेरे ख्याल से इतना तो आप कर सकते हो, 500 रुपए का कोर्स प्राइस अफोर्ड कर सकते हो, वरना आप यूट्यूब से पढ़ लो, यूट्यूब में बहुत सारे फ्री रिसोर्स है, ठीक है। मेरी तरफ से चैप्टर 2 नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि आप क्या ही करें आप, ठीक है, क्योंकि डिसअपॉइंटिंग मतलब वो रहा है। अगर कोई यूट्यूब में कुछ प्रोवाइड कर रहा है तो लोगों को लगता है कि क्या ही प्रोवाइड कर रहा होगा, तो डिसअपॉइंटिंग रीच रही है, तो चैप्टर 2 नहीं आएगा।
सेकंड ईयर, हाँ अंशु सही रहेगा, डिजिटल नेटवर्क कवर करो, डिजिटल सही है। कोर का इसी का लास्ट में आएगा, कुछ आएगा वीडियोस, लिटिल लैक ऑफ रिवीजन। गंता, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट टेस्ट सीरीज, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट टेस्ट सीरीज। एक बार रिवाइज नोट्स कर लो, इन्हें जस्ट
वंस यू
रिवाइज द नोट्स
रिवाइज
इन अ
दिस,
क्विक मैनर, देन यू अटेम्प्ट द टेस्ट सीरीज।
हाँ भाई, अंशु अंशु कुमार वर्मा ठीक रहेगा, नेटवर्क डिजिटल कर लो, ठीक रहेगा, बार बार रिपीट मत करो,
4 बार पूछ लिया
कर लो।
भाई, 4 बार पूछ लिया।
नेटवर्क डिजिटल सेकंड ईयर में हो, कर लो कवर, ठीक है। दिसंबर एंड तक कवर होना चाहिए वो, और इस बार इस साल जो भी सवाल आएंगे गेट के, वो सोल्व भी होनी चाहिए, बस।
वो पेट को उसका पूछ रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा, पेड कोर्स में यार, मतलब नवंबर फर्स्ट वीक में स्टार्ट, नवंबर फर्स्ट वीक में कंटेंट आना स्टार्ट, ठीक है ना। तो मतलब नवंबर मिड तक तो मैं कर ही दूंगा, पूरा कर दूंगा, ठीक है। नवंबर 20 तक आप मानो कि नवंबर 20 तक आपका एकदम बढ़िया से ईडीसी पूरा हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना।
ईडीसी सेमेस्टर के लिए
यार
कैसा
ईडीसी सेमेस्टर के लिए कैसे करना है आज तक मेरे को भी नहीं समझ में आया। मतलब ईडीसी सेमेस्टर लेवल पे तो यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं, कुछ
5
भी। ईडीसी सेमेस्टर लेवल पे मेरा 6 सीजीपीए था ईडीसी में, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है मेरे को ईडीसी आता नहीं है। आप बेसिक सेमीकंडक्टर फिजिक्स पढ़ के देखो, ठीक है, जो यूट्यूब पे करवाई भी है, लेकिन मेरे 6 सीजीपीए थे, मैं बता रहा हूँ। थर्ड सेमेस्टर ऑनलाइन में 6 थे, ऑफलाइन में तो शायद फेल हो जाता मैं, ठीक है। बीटेक में ये हाल था मेरा। मेरे टोटल सीजीपीए आए हैं 8.75 लास्ट तक, और ऑनलाइन में मेरे 6 सीजीपीए हैं ईडीसी में।
नहीं, वो
तो
तो
ईडीसी में
मेरा
कुछ
भी
भी,
ऐसा ही था।
हम लोग को ईडीसी किसने पढ़ाया था? जो आईआईटी बीएचयू में ईसी डिपार्टमेंट के एचओडी रह चुके हैं, उन्होंने पढ़ाया है। तो ऐसा पढ़ाया था कि भाई मास्टर्स लेवल से ऊपर सब कुछ पढ़ाया था, पीएचडी वगैरह सब कुछ करा दी थी, और वैसे ही सवाल पूछ दिए। तो उस समय तो इंटरनेट पे सर्च कर लो, किसी को आंसर मिल ही नहीं रहा था। तो शायद हाईएस्ट मार्क थे 30 में से 9 या 10, 8 तो मेरी आए थे। तो ईडीसी को सेमेस्टर लेवल पे कैसे करना है कोई नहीं जान सकता यार। कोई भी नहीं जान सकता, ठीक है।
5 सब्जेक्ट रिवीजन के लिए लास्ट में कितना टाइम रखना चाहिए? अब ऐसा कुछ टाइम नहीं है, मतलब अभी से रिवीजन करना स्टार्ट कर दो, टेस्ट सीरीज अटेम्प्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दो धीरे-धीरे, ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ टाइम स्पेसिफिक नहीं है।
Yeah, Anish, you can pin others comment as well my whole year. Yeah, so you guys can also share in this manner. ठीक है. बाकी others we can take a session in your college. Which college are you from?
हाँ,
if you can mention.
उसके बारे में मैं सोचा हूँ वो क्या करना है उसका.
अच्छा,
करेंगे
ठीक है,
उसका.
बाद में बात करते हैं इससे.
स्टार्टिंग प्रिपरेशन क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, since I have started my preparation a bit late, should I go for completing the syllabus through the combination of comprehensive plus course? देखो, cost of for your query today only I made a video. Today only on our channel. Okay, so this query will be answered in that 33-minute of video. You can watch that. Okay. So bottom line is 4 to 5 subjects we will do comprehensively. Some subjects we will do in a crash manner, and from some subjects we will do the important topics. So this is how we will proceed, and how we will proceed that I have already told. Okay. Digital revision done, PYQ done, analog only syllabus, maths control crash course last year still going on at Laplace now. What to do? हाँ ठीक है, करो यार, सिग्नल पूरा करो और बाकी जो सभी किए हुए उनको रिवाइज करो. एनालॉग के PYQ कर लो.
टेस्ट सीरीज देना स्टार्ट कर दो. टेस्ट सीरीज
स्टार्ट कर दो.
अभी तो
सिलेबस तो ठीक ठाक कमांड में है ही. ओबिटो आपका सिलेबस कमांड में है, बाकी आप देख लो.
So I guess like today currently the prices of our courses are lowest. Okay, Festival of Fusion is running on our YouTube channel on all our courses, so you can get the all our courses at the lowest prices if you apply the code DIA DIYA. If you apply the code DIA, you can get all our courses including the test series at the lowest possible prices. Okay, so offer like this will not come again, so make sure you avail whatever courses you want to avail within the next 2 to 3 days, because this code is valid for the first 500 students. I guess almost 1 hour हो गया है. Viewers भी कम हो तो अब wrap up कर देते हैं.
3 मिनट है, 1 आवर पूरा ही कर लेते हैं फिर.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ मतलब. व्यूअर्स भी अचानक से डाउन कैसे हो गया? 30 था अभी 14 कैसे हो गया?
Start giving test series network based control. Should I focus on
Ashish,
solving problem?
for now focus on accuracy. For now focus on accuracy.
For now, focus on accuracy. Okay. With time, your problem solving ability will also improve. But whatever the question that you are solving, that should be solved in a correct manner. That should be your target, Ashish, as of now. Okay. And don't like when you are writing down the topic wise test or subject wise test, at that time don't feel like at that time you should not be looking at the rank. We will be looking at the rank when we write down all India mock test. Okay, in the final, when a lot of people will be attempting the full length test, at that time only we will be looking at the rank. While writing topic wise and subject wise, you are just getting habitual with the test interface. Okay, you are just getting habitual with the test interface. Okay.
अथर MS पे मिल जाएगा कुछ कॉलेज 450 स्कोर पे MS you can get a college from MS.
और मिड NIT मिल सकता है फिर.
मिड NIT machines. Avnish, just like electrical machines is covered completely on YouTube for free. You can try to cover those topics which you are feeling weak from me once. क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे फिर, या तो फिर से रिवाइज करो. अगर बन नहीं रहे तो पिछले रिसोर्स से फिर से रिवाइज करो. Now I kept above 70%. It's good. Like your accuracy 70% is good. Try to keep it above 80%. Try to get it above 80%. That will be the best accuracy.
Or if it makes you feel good, like I can tell you, my accuracy never went above 75%. Okay, but my number of attempts were always above 95% as well. So that's the thing. Okay, number of attempts above 95% and accuracy above 75%. That was my target. Always I maintained the same thing. In the final examination as well, the same thing happened, and I ended up getting 68.66 marks. I just wanted to get 0.33 marks more.
It would have been like good number.
ठीक है भाई, इसको यहीं खत्म कर दे. यहीं खत्म कर दे भाई, आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. अब मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, ये नहीं जाना चाहिए था. अब इसको यहीं खत्म कर दो. किसी ने नोटिस किया नहीं किया, बात खत्म.
ओके गाइस, ठीक है, एंड करते हैं. अभी 1 घंटा होने वाला है ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, थैंक यू.
या